Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss live streaming for today and the unicorn. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes, and of course, we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys. How everybody doing? Let's get right to it. We got one stock is about to jump. Rane. 200%. We got ARTV 100%, XRTX, SGBX maybe, and PRAX. We got three X's. And of course, one of the stock that we should discuss as well is Open, which broke this support and reverse. So we kind of broke the 690. We'll see if we continue to go down today because yesterday we went 4%. Good morning, everybody. Cryptos as well, pulling back down, testing a major support, especially for Ethereum around the 3,600. Yeah, the market is pulling back a little bit for the crypto market, stock markets pulling back. However, Rani is jumping up fantastically. We got a question here from our elite member GNPX chart. I will check it for you. GNPX. $43 madness. We have a huge flush yesterday and today as well, 17%. Kind of getting near a bottom here. Yeah, we almost tested around 34 cents. We got a huge bottom. For now, we might have a reversal if we held the current support over the 42. Yeah, the 42 looking interesting support or resistant. 34 is the current support that we should hold for GNPX. And the bottom is the 31. Yeah, the bottom is the 31. Lack, I will check it right now. Let me know, night trader, if you want the shorts. If you just got the levels and the live streaming is okay, then I don't have to do the shorts. For lag, 21% yesterday, now it's 2%. It already reversed from the 645. So now it might start to reverse if we held the current support here over the $7. So we got $7 as a support. Resistant now is the 736. We got 750. Yeah, we got 758, or maybe I will lower it down around the 749 and the 768. Yeah, 749 and 7468 are the profit taken. Resistant as well, and profit taken is the 736. As long as we hold the $7, we gonna continue this reversal up. So watch out for the $7 support. Maybe I will lower. Yeah, it's still going down, man. Yeah, GNPX is flushing down big time. So I might check again for another support here. Yeah, we might break this support now around the 35. We got here a resistance plus profit around the 40 cents. Yeah, we broke it. So this support is not good anymore. We have the 31 should be a good support. And the other one, yesterday 43%, guys, big drop for GMPX. And now is flushing down another maybe 43% again. Holy baloney. No, it broke again the other support. So yeah, I will watch for the 26. Yes, 26 should be a nice support. And maybe 22. And I'm gonna adjust the resistance here right now around 34 or 35. Lowering the profit taking here. Yeah, we have two level to reverse from for GMPX. For luck, as we said, brother, we have the 7, and let's see if we have a huge pullback here from the 7. Yeah, 5% here, 8%, so it's doable. Yeah, for luck, it is kind of overextended, so we'll watch the other support entry here. Yeah, this one should be. So this is the current resistance. Yeah, this is the bottom right now around the 530. And I'm gonna adjust another profit taken up. If you're wondering, guys, what I'm doing, I'm just sending the chart to one of our elite member on Discord. Usually, if you are one of our elite member, you could have access to private requested stocks like what we do right now. So resistance plus profit here for 736. Exactly. So this is for lack, my brother. And this is for lack. Okay, now this is out of the way. Let us go back to RANI because it's breaking out, everybody. RANI breaking out here, doing fantastic. ARTV, nothing much. XRTX, nothing much. So yeah, the only one is doing fantastic is Ronnie. Yes, we kind of have a break here. RANI, guys, looking fantastic right now. Again, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in order to be notified once we go live, because we always go live every day. Good morning, Santush. Good morning, George. BBAI, I will check it. This buy, I will check it out. Um, ELBM. This is new. ELBM. BBAI. Yeah, BBAI, we already discussed it yesterday, I think. Have a nice support over the $7. Yeah, 681. Currently have a little resistance around the $7.70, and the other profit takings are on the 664. Yeah, 680 should be the support and 628 should be the bottom. ELBM 25%, so it's not that beautiful for the short because yeah, need to break the $3 to be interesting. For now, it is too risky to play. It's a bit weak. Yeah, for now we only have Rani, guys, the only strongest stock for today. ARTV, it might be good as well at the market open, but not now. Currently, it's below the 684. As you can see from the chart, look interesting inside this wedge for a break. XRTX jumped and dumped really quick, but I'm not forget about it because if broke the 135 would be great. This buy is hitting all-time high. Yeah, is around 660. All-time high is around 670. So we're currently near the all-time high. And now it's testing the first support here, from my opinion. Yeah, the current first support around the 650. If we pull back, we might reverse from the 630. And we have another bottom around 618. So yeah, currently over the first support, which mean strength for the short. Last time we dipped 3%. If we dip another 3% would be great around the 632. But for now, yes, not bad for the markets. Yeah, currently strong over the 650. Going back to Runny, we got a little bit, I think, of fake outs. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit fake out on the 155. I will put a support for it just in case over the 133. Yes, 133 should be a current support now to go toward the 181. An ARTV, I will put another new support to confirm this majestic jump over the 555. Yes, sir. Looking all right. Look at that. Beautiful. Really beautiful chart for ARTV. So those are the top two, ARTV and Rani, or RANI. Rani Muhammad, we already discussed it right now. DFLI Norma, one of the top stocks this week, I think. Pulled back 32%. We have a big sellers for the top gainers this week. Look at that huge dip. And now, yes, it kind of reversed. Yeah, it kind of reversed from the $1, which is the current bottom. And now it's trying, guys, it's trying to reverse from this huge dip. Yeah, from my side, I have to keep blocking the 175 or breakout. Yeah, DFLI, I will keep it here on the list, guys. Looking fantastic if it held over the $1. Yeah, thank you for bringing this up, Norma. Yeah, look fantastic to me. Good morning, Amish or Amis. Good morning. You see, this is good, guys. Sometimes it's good that one of you like notify me about some stock because I can't keep checking all the stocks that jumped before. So thank you for Norma. Shout out to Norma for give us a heads up. So the FLI looking interesting here. I will keep it on the list as we said. RA and I looking all right, jumping up. It need to hold over the 133 to go to 181. For now, we got ARTV as well, trying to break from this channel here. We have to be a bit patient for a breakout at the market open. We got 4 minutes left, so don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, in order to be notified once we go live, because we always go live every day, guys, every day. So let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. Hopefully we have a green day. Yesterday we have a bit of pullback market. Yeah, the market is a bit bearish the last few days. Um, yeah, as you can see here, let's see, 1 week. 1 week, Google was green, guys. Interesting. Google is green, Amazon is red, Nvidia is red, Oracle, and this week in green yet, Walmart. So not totally red. This month is a bit in sideways, not that red. Nvidia still in green. AMD still in huge green, 47%. So you see in the big picture, semiconductors did a really great month. Yes, really great month right now. Tesla is neutral, kind of interesting. Yeah, semiconductors are the best performer. Yeah, this month. Mm. So far, 6 months, you see a huge green, guys. In 6 months, a huge green for the market. Google 61%. This is madness, man. 41% for Meta, Amazon 23, Tesla 77, Oracle 104. Yeah, so you see, if you see in a big picture, guys, the market is in a huge green, especially Tesla's the 95% up. So yeah, always sometimes go in a big picture to give you a bit of heads up about that we are in a green market, not a red market, even though we have a huge pullback lately. Anyway, so Rani is pulling back, guys, a bit. We might have a little bit of pullback to the market around the 122. If we want to have a green day, we should have the night 101.22 to hold at the market open in order to reverse for Rani. Otherwise, we have to watch for the 92, of course, for today. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Whatever you are, welcome to our trading channel. And as we said, subscribe, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you didn't do already. Today, Friday, as usual, Friday, we don't have a lot of traders trading. Usually, a lot of traders take time off on Friday. So let's get right to it, guys, and see if we're gonna have a huge green day for today. Few seconds left. Let's go. Lift off. We've got, let's see, KMX. Watching KMX, we might have a reversal for today, finally. We need the green for KMX for reversal. Let's see the market here. We might have a reversal. APLD, a bit red. Neo, yes, it reversed yesterday perfectly. Okay, ARTV is pulling back. Okay, I will watch ARTV from that support, the 485. If we want to have a reversal or a green day, we should hold the 485. For Rani, 122, guys. If we held right now 122, it's gonna go higher for today. XRTX need to break the 135, not this level yet. SGBX, nothing much happening here for SGBX. Prey X. Whoa, we have a squeezer. Prey X, guys. Prey X broke the resistance again. Pharmaceutical company, guys. This one is going toward the 200 again. I'm gonna add the support for it around the 175.60. DFLI is weak today, so Preax should be on the top list right now because it's the only one that jumped. Number one. Yeah, number one is Preax, guys. The rest is history. Preax and Ronnie, both of them are fantastic for today. XRTX, maybe. Yeah, it's a maybe. It is a maybe. But yeah, Prey X, it is the one to watch, guys. 206 should be the level that we might pull back from. Yeah, we have a little pullback now from the 205. Let's see. You can do it, I think. You can see the volatility as well, I think. Even depth to equity. You see? Tesla is not in debt, have more equity. Apple have more debt, as you can see here. Google is 0.12 in more equity than debt. JP Morgan, more debts. Wells Fargo, a lot of debts. HD debts. LLY, Caterpillar, in deep debt, 4.06. So this is there's a lot of things you can do here on Fimfis to see the debt ratio, the percentage in gain, of course, the dividend growth. Let's see the dividend growth in 1 year. The only one is the Nvidia, guys, 50%. Huge dividends with the other one, like GE Aerospace. This one is crazy. What else we got here? Okay, we'll check this one later, but now let us watch Rani looking great. Prex is pulling back because it hit the 205. Let us see, guys, if we got some action here. ARTV is number one, but currently below the resistance, the 679. VHC, light on volume, but the second gainer here, 55%. ZKR, I was watching this one early, but I don't like the chart. ELBM, one of you asked me about this. Okay, so the market is a bit slow even today, man. Let's see Prex. Prex, this one, guys, huge a pharmaceutical company that have a good phase 3 result on their drug. That's why it jumped yesterday, like huge jump. Rani, the same, looking great. Biotech stock or pharmaceutical stock, one of the top. ARTV is going back, nothing much. Open, we got a reversal up. KMX as well have a reversal up, a new high. Yeah, KMX need to go to the 50, guys, for a reversal. But we need to break the 45 first to confirm the reversal. Okay, we got the question. Then the CIFR. I will check it for you, my brother. Let's see. Yeah, 5% down. I think already hit the profit taken around the 18. Uh-huh. This one, yes. So already hit the profit taken, already discussed before. Support is still there around this level. Yes, we got two support here. Yeah, the button first bottom. Let's see if we have a huge dip here. Yeah, you have a really good hotspots here for CIFR, brother. A really good hotspot here, so you have to watch out for those. The current resistant right now, 1847. And yeah, those the level of profit taken up, and those the level of dips reversal. Already reversed on the 1590. The other dip we might reverse from is the 1450. We have the other one is 1280, and here the 1056. So watch out for those dips, hot spots for CIFR. You are welcome, Dexter. Yeah, Venvez is really good, brother. It can actually search even crypto, not like SP 500. You can just check SB 500 and the other stocks. But yeah, looking great. Going back to the main list. Prex is still currently trying to break the resistance around the 206. Running the same, holding the $1.22, which is great, showing there's a big buyer around this dip. XRTX is pulling back down, take it from the list. Yeah, narrow down our focus here. Checking the top gainers again. Yeah, we don't have a lot of things going on, but yeah, keep my eyes on Ronnie, guys. Keep my eyes close on Ronnie. Let's see this if we have some stocks been halted or not. AREB, guys, has been halted. Wow, this one is main stock before. I think it jumped a lot this week and now is dumping a lot. Yeah, have a reverse splits and yeah, now it started to get halted up. It's been halted up, but yeah, it is on the list of most losers or the top losers for today. Things changed from top gainers to top losers. Look at that. It was back then here after the reverse split around $10, and now is around $1.77. Yeah, where we reversed from. So yeah, AREB could be interesting, guys, for a reversal here. After the haltation, we might test this level around the 230, which might be the squeeze zone for AREB. Watching it closely for a reversal because we don't have anything else. The market is a bit slow for today, like yesterday. This week is a bit slow, guys. Okay, so top losers, we got OWLS. Let's check OWLS if there's an entry. Yeah, 37%. No. You see, OWLS is not good because it's pretty much dead. PLX maybe good. WHC. W. Wait a second. W core. WHC, but I don't see it. Wait a second. Where's WHC? There's many millions of WHC. Anyway, I forget about it. PLX. Nothing. So yeah, we got Ronnie still. Prex. Wow, Prex, guys, is flushing down now. Yeah, it is going down big time. ARTV, nothing much. AREB. Yes, ARB is unhalted. I will watch it closely, guys. Or still halted. I think we got some news here about 6 days ago. AREB is unhalted, guys, is about to test the $2.30. If we broke it, we might have a genuine reversal. Not yet. Not yet. Open, nothing much today. Is that it's kind of sleeping, brother. Some of you ask about open. Holy baloney. AREB guys broke the 230 right now. Humongous jump. I think it's halted again up. Watch out, AREB started to reverse, guys, from a huge bottom here. So I'm switching my gear to AREB. AREB switching gears. Yeah, let us check AREB right now. I think it's halted up again. I will check open in a bit, brother. But now let us go to AREB because I think it's halted again. Yeah, it's currently halted. Okay, open. I will check it. ARTV, nothing much here for today. Let's see. Yeah, ARTV, nothing much. Going to open, guys, to check open. Some of you ask about open because yes, it's kind of neutral. We broke this support. Now is kind of correcting up a bit. Watch out for open, guys. As we discussed early in our Discord, we said the support around the 690 has been broken, and now the main support is the 571. The reversal might happen before even tested the 5, but will be confirmed once we break this level of resistance around the 784. So if we don't break the $7.84, we're gonna go down toward the 571 for today. Today at the market open, we don't have a big buyer nor big seller. That's why the price didn't go down a lot. So the only active stocks is AREB, guys, reversing big time from the huge dip. Now is the time to watch this reversal. I think we might get shorted big time here at the once we get unhalted around the 270. So I'm watching to 270, guys, for a rejection, and maybe after that we might get halted down, man. So I will watch AREB. It's the only one is active. The rest is pulling back, like this one is testing the support running around the 122. As GBS is rising. I took it from the list because it took a lot of time to do something. Yeah, it's currently below the 446. So I'm gonna keep it on the list. Yes, it might rise and change this trend. So I'm gonna keep it on the list, brothers and sisters. Yes, sir. AREB currently halted, have a reverse split back on the 3rd of October, guys, on Friday. Almost 2 Friday away. Now is halted around the 240, everybody. Runny, nothing much. Yeah, nothing much so far. It was disappointed start because could have done really good job today, but it got shorted really early around the 155. but it's not completely disappointed because it's currently hold the support around the 122. AREB, the volume might pick up after the unhalting over the 1 million. Right now is unhalted, watch out. AREB 270, it is the top level. Now we have to watch for the 208 if we want to go toward the 270, 208. If we jumped again, we might get halted. Yes, 265. This is it. This is crazy good, guys. Make sure to take profit right now because I think we might get shorted right now around the 270. Huge seller around the 270, for my opinion. That's why we have a wick here. Yeah, 270. It is a huge seller for AREB. The only stock that is good for today. The rest is nothing, man. The rest is sleeping. Okay, we got a winner here, 253, 250, 249, 48. A huge wick here. Are we gonna continue up? Yes, sir, or nope? Yeah, I think there's a big seller, man. Gonna lower the other profit taking here around the $3. So yeah, we have a huge wick here, guys, around the 271. If we broke the 271, we might get halted up. For now, is kind of, yeah, is over the 1 million finally. ARTV starts to reverse a bit. SGBX, nothing much. AREB, yes, is going up again. AREB 252. Yes, it's a bit dangerous here, to be honest, because we should have jumped more. We should have broke the 270, but have a struggle to break. Anyway, let's see. Perfect. Today is Friday, guys, so make sure to not over trade and take your profit on the way. So for this one, I think it's good to exit around this level for AREB. Come on. Anyway, yeah, I have a bit of struggle to break. Anyway, guys, remember today is Friday. It's better to not overtrade. The market is a bit slow. If something change, I will update you guys for on Discord. On the unicorn hunt, we're gonna update the chart like we did yesterday and the day before. Every time we do update after we finish our live streaming. Yeah. Today or yesterday we did VIVK, we did the mirror. Yeah, we did Prey X before this short around the 205, exactly where the price pulled back. And we never recover, of course. Even today, we test this level and we went down. So we're gonna do update chart like this, guys, for exit and entry. As you can see, the red is the support, the orange is the resistance, and the green is the profit. Really simple. Everybody can read it. So the link comes section below, guys, if you want to join our Hunter channel. Before we go further, holy baloney, AREB just jumped to 272 right now. Holy baloney. Right now, I think it's halted again. Look at that. Holy baloney. We catch a really good trade here around the 272 right now. And I think it's halted up right now, guys. Holy baloney. I think, and I'm gonna get out from this trade right now. Yeah, look at that. I think it's halted right now. Trading of AREB is temporarily halted by the Nasdaq. Hallelujah. We catch 11% on this trade. As we said, guys, AREB, it was the only one that looked great. And you look at that. Exactly got halted around our resistance. AREB, Arani didn't do anything. Still undecided. PreX the same. ARTV the same. SGBX. The only one that did really great is AREB. This is how we hunt, guys. This was perfect trade for today. even though it was really risky trade, but we don't have any other trade. So that's why I traded it, guys. Usually I don't trade those kind of stocks with low volume, but today we don't have any option. Nothing, man. The market is dead. So we only catch one stock, which is AREB. Great hunt. Great hunt, everybody. AREB is the only stock for today that did a great job. But for my opinion, guys, it's a bit risky, so I'm gonna exit after this unhalting because we might get halted down after that. Okay, so for now, 11% or yeah, 11% is good for today. Time for sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna sell it right now at the after the haltation. Yes, after we be resumed. Yes, in the meantime, guys, it's better to call it for today because the market, as we said, is a bit slow. For the meantime, thank you for watching, and remember, guys, to of course to subscribe and support the channel by subscribing and putting notification on. And of course, thank you for watching. Hit the like button on the way out, and see you all back on Monday as usual, 30 minutes before the market open, and before that, on our Discord and Patreon, where we go live before the market open and after we finish our stream every day to update you about day trade, swing trade, and crypto. In the meantime, stay blessed and see you all back by the next week, everyone.